So you might be in a situation where for some reason bubbles aren't showing up on your Android 17 device. So maybe you're going through and you're holding down on an application like this, but for some reason the bubbles option isn't showing up. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you're on Android 17. That's going to be basically the first thing I'd recommend making sure of. So make sure you've updated to Android 17. Second off, you might want to go through and just make sure that you're basically, having the bubbles feature enabled. So go inside of your settings application right over here, and you want to go and just search at the very top for bubbles. So you can just type in bubbles just normally as you would. So type in bubbles, and what you're going to want to do is look out for that option that says something like allow apps to show bubbles. So tap over there, and then on this page, what you're going to want to do is you just want to go ahead and enable it. So when this little option comes up, go through and just enable it whenever you see it here. And then from here, you should be able to go through, hold down on an application, and you should be able to see that bubbles portion come up. And from there, you should be able to go through and then just natively basically get into bubbles. So hopefully that fixes it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.